Hello friends, this is Manjeet Kaur from Excellent Mind Technology. I am starting grammar portion now for IELTS students and for others also. So first of all, I am starting articles. What are the articles? A, and the are the articles. But where to use and where and how to use these articles? A and some of are used for one, whereas these are called indefinite articles, whereas the is definite article and it is used for some. Okay, so we know that we have five vowels: a, e, I, o, u, but an is used for vowel sounds. Where vowels produce sound, we are using an there, like an umbrella, an MLA, whereas a university, okay, there U is there but not producing the sound of that. So at a university, like this way, okay. So how to use this the? Where to use the? As I already told you, the is used for some. It is like a and are for one, whereas the is for some. So like I'm giving an example. A girl was sitting on the bench. Okay. A girl was sitting on the bench. So the you we use with the bench because bench is special bench way that is sitting. So we are using for a single a girl. Okay. Now an old man is waiting for you. An old. Okay, because it's producing the sound of O, old. Okay, so you can see here. Indefinite articles are used before that express occupations like something like farmer, teacher. Okay, there we use this indefinite articles. We use for some illnesses. We are using this like headache, stomachache. Where we there we are using these indefinite articles. We are using in some phrases, okay, before singular countable noun when it represents the whole class. So there we are using that the, okay, the first and foremost duty of a student is to study. So here I use the. The means that is we are talking about the main that is for the student. Okay, that is the for whole mankind. We are using this like when we are talking about the whole mankind like man, woman, we are using this. We are avoiding the articles. Okay, we are not putting the articles there, like we are not putting a and when we are talking about the whole we are talking about whole community, so we are not putting vowels here. Okay, so we have to put indefinite articles before few, little to get its meaning. If we are not using, it will be counted as negative. Okay, don't use indefinite articles before plural noun and uncountable noun. Okay, so like if I will say I have to talk about give me some advice. Okay, here we can't use an or a. Okay, so use of definite articles, how to use this when we are using this definite, when we are talking about something definite, we are putting the there. Okay, like we are giving some special thing, something we can say that is fixed. We are using the. Okay, definite article is used for singular, plural, or uncountable nouns also. So where it is sounding, where it sounds something something special. Okay, so we have to use, like we can use before unique things we can use the before unique things like the sun, the earth, the moon. Before directions, we can put the south, the north, the east. Okay. Before the names of oceans, seas, gulfs, rivers, we are using the. Okay, the Indian Ocean. Uh, Before the names of mountain ranges, island groups, deserts, etc. The Himalayas. Okay. Before countries and the places with descriptive names like the UK, the USA. Before the names of places in plural. Okay. There also we are using this. The Netherlands. Before the names of historical documents and great books, the Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Quran, before the names of newspapers, okay, before the names of musical instruments, the violin, the guitar, before the names of ships and trains, we are using the, before the names of nations and families, the before the is used before certain adjectives or participles in order to make them plural nouns, like the rich are privileged. The rich means the rich people. Okay, so before adjectives in the superlative degree, the biggest building, the best movie. Okay, uh, before a singular countable noun which represents the whole class. Okay, the tiger is the fairest of all animal. This way we can use the. Before ordinal numbers also we can use the. Like the third chapter, the sixth day, like this, we can use the. Now, omission of articles, where we are not using the articles. Okay, don't use article before proper noun that name person and places. Okay, the Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, so here the Delhi is the capital of India. So if we are not using here the, then it will be wrong. Okay, then before here the Delhi, we are not using the here. Okay, directly we use Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, so before material nouns that are not specified, like the gold is precious metal, we are not using here the. Directly we will say gold is a precious metal. Okay, the gold, the gold which you brought from Saudi Arabia is of superior quality. Here we can say the. Okay, before the names of languages, we are not using the. Before the names of metals, we are not using the. Okay, before the names of meals, I have the dinner at 8 p.m. So this is not the, we are not using here. Before abstract nouns, when they are used in their wider sense, like love, we can't use the before love. Okay, so the is where the we are using for special things. Okay, where we have to omit, I have told you that we are not putting the before the proper noun that name some person and places. We are not using the before material nouns that are not specified. We are not using the uh, before like languages, names of languages, before names of meals, and before abstract nouns when they are used in the wider sense. And where we can use the, we can use the with the love when it is used for particular object. Okay, like like the love he is showing now is fraud. before the following names when their primary purposes meant school, church, market, etc. Okay. His children go to school to study. Okay. But when their primary purpose is not meant, the should be used. When primary purpose is not there, then we are using the. No article is used before the nouns in the following expression. Okay. To catch fire, to lose heart, to give ear, to leave home, to send words, to take offense, to go to hell, at home, in debt, at ease, in hand, at dawn, at dusk, on foot, in depth, by ear. We are not using articles in these. Hope you will like this video, and if any question is there you can ask, and please like and share this video, and please like, subscribe and share this channel, and take helpful education related coaching, mind power related coaching and mind power courses. Please like this channel and learn more, and contact me on the telegram link given below in the description box and contact number given in the description box.